Hello America, it's Michael Duncan Foster here. I am in Cincinnati and I'm at the River Park by the Great American Stadium where the Cincinnati Reds play. God bless you, God bless America, God bless God. I hope you're having a wonderful day. But I wanted to show you this awesome place. Look at the water. Man, I just want to jump in. Makes me just want to jump in. I got my bike right here. Sit up on the stand. We're going to go up to the next level. Thought I'd show you the people working here, the people clean, beautiful and clean here. Absolutely wonderful. It's awesome. They even got an elevator. It's big enough to fit my bicycle. Elevator big enough to fit my bike. Going up to the next stadium. It's all air conditioned. Oh man, it feels so good. Oh. Going up to the next level. Let's see what's up here. Oh yeah, the fountains. Okay, if you can see, there's downtown. And here I am at the fountain park. I hope it's cold, because I'm going to get in. If I can't leave my bike up here. There we go. Let's see. Kids playing. Good place for the kids to play. Here we go. That's awesome. And then over there, we got a park, which I'll cruise to. Let me get some water real quick. Oh yeah. Oh. Good water. Alright guys, peace and love to y'all again. God bless you, God bless God, God bless America. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having a great day. Virtual freedom. God is real, Jesus is real, and there's still good-hearted Americans out here in the world. It's not all the doom and gloom that you see on TV. Watch the kids have fun. Enjoy it. We need more places like this in America. Cincinnati is a great city. Peace.